Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites: updated iOS, shortcuts installed, and accessibility access. First, turn on System Dark Mode so supported apps follow the system palette. Once done, enable Smart Invert for apps that don't natively support dark themes. This preserves images while flipping UI colors. Then create or import a shortcut that launches apps in a forced dark environment, because automating launch ensures consistent behavior across restarts and reduces manual toggling. You now build the core, shortcuts that open apps via URL schemes and immediately apply a dark environment. This is how you force apps to load in dark mode when available. For apps without native support, use in-app settings, or, for web-based content, inject dark CSS in web views to invert backgrounds and adjust text colors. Make sure to test each app's UI, confirm contrast ratios, legibility of icons, and that images remain correct, because differences between apps require tailored tweaks. You finish by automating and validating. Create automations to run your shortcuts when an app opens on schedule or when a focus activates, ensuring persistent darkness. If an app resists, fall back to Smart Invert or third-party launchers that wrap apps in a dark shell. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings, reinstall the app, and rerun your shortcut. And if behavior still breaks, report the issue to the developer with steps to reproduce, because some apps need vendor-side fixes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.